little deja vu. Mortgage rates are dropping again. The Fed just cut rates, and everybody's wondering, are we about to see a repeat of 2024's market rebound? Today, I'm breaking down what this means for buyers and sellers right here in Fort Bend County and what to expect heading into the final stretch of 2025. Hey friends, I'm Ann Hamilton, Realtor here in Fort Bend County, Texas. And each week I simplify what's happening in real estate so you can cut through the noise and understand the data and make smart moves, whether you're buying, selling, or staying put. So let's talk about what this latest Fed rate cut really means for our local housing market. In mid-September, the Federal Reserve lowered its key interest rate by 0.25%, bringing it down to a range between 4 and 4.25%. The reason? Slower job growth, lighter inflation, and a goal to protect employment while keeping prices stable. Right after that, 30-year mortgage rates dropped to about 6.25%. That's the lowest we've seen in a year. That is huge for affordability. A half-point difference can easily save a buyer hundreds of dollars a month. Here's where things get interesting. According to a new report from the Texas Real Estate Research Center at Texas A&M University, this year's trend looks a lot like what we saw in 2024. Back then, the Fed began cutting rates in September. Mortgage rates fell nearly a full percentage point, and buyers rushed back into the market. And by Q4, home sales had jumped double digits year over year, ending the post-pandemic slowdown. But once the Fed kept cutting, inflation worries crept back in and rates started climbing again. So the question is, will 2025 follow the same pattern? Here in Texas, the market is gaining steady momentum. That same Texas Real Estate Research Center report shows pending home sales rising, up 9.2% in July, 5.4% in August, and 1.7% in September. Year to date, statewide sales are about 1.7% higher than 2024. So momentum is back, but it's cautious. In Fort Bend County, I'm seeing the same story. More showings, builders offering incentives, and resale homes moving again, especially when the homes are priced right and show really well. So if you're a buyer, lower rates might open doors that were out of reach a few months ago. But affordability is still tight and competition stays strong in top school zones. If you're a seller, this is your window before the holidays. Price strategically, stage beautifully, and remember, buyers are payment focused. If the rates tick back up after the next Fed meeting, that urgency could fade fast. So will 2025 end like 2024? A short burst followed by a slowdown? It depends on three wild cards: the labor market, GDP growth, and inflation. There are still 2 Fed Reserve meetings left this year in 2025 at the time I'm recording this, and every move will shape rates heading into 2026. The takeaway? Stay ready. Get pre-approved if you're a buyer, and keep an eye on rates. And of course, work with a local agent who tracks this data, not just the headlines. If you would like a copy of my Fort Bend County Relocation Guide or my 2025 Buyers and Sellers Guides, please just follow the link below. They include neighborhood insights, school district maps, and the latest market stats to help you plan confidently. If you're thinking about buying or selling soon, please text me at 979-450-1022, and I'll send you a custom local market snapshot for your address. Thanks for watching, friends, and don't forget to subscribe for next week's video. See you soon.